Is this a class action lawsuit?
No, these are not class actions, although they have some similarities to a class action. These are what we call a mass tort, and these are the ones in federal court are consolidated in something called multi-district litigation.
So basically what we're looking at is individual cases, individual personal injury cases, but because of who the defendant is, this big corporation, and because it may be in federal court, then all the different people can actually sue that defendant.
Right. Each individual case is brought by that person. So unlike a class action where one lawsuit is filed, but that one lawsuit encompasses all of the other people that had a similar claim, here each lawsuit is filed. So each person controls the ultimate outcome of their case.
So ultimately, you may be able to go to trial or not go to trial depending on what you want to do as the plaintiff.
That's correct.
Okay. And this sounds like it's going to cost a lot of money. Could you tell us a little bit about what are the costs that the parents and the plaintiffs are going to face?
Well, since these cases are being consolidated in federal court, a lot of the costs that people would face are reduced or are spread out across many claims. So if the plaintiffs have to hire an expert to prove something in terms of analyzing the medical data and the studies, they can hire one person and that person's testimony can be used for all of the plaintiffs that are bringing cases within the multi-district litigation.
So this is where attorneys like ourselves would find an excellent expert who would analyze the data, be able to testify in court, and we're able to use that for every one of our claimants, or most of them.
Yeah, many of the experts that we'll retain in these cases are going to be for the purposes of proving issues that apply to all of the cases. That doesn't mean that there won't be some expenses related to each case, but even then, our firms have agreed with the clients that we're representing to undertake all of the out-of-pocket expenses. So we will spend that money on behalf of our clients, and we only get repaid that in the event that we're able to collect money for the client.